Hey, I'm Ajay. I am the owner and president of Triform. We are a quick response contract manufacturer specializing in milling, turning, welding, and assembling. Yeah, so we heard about the energy and manufacturing program in Appalachia pretty soon after I bought the business. I'd say it was 2 months in. I was at a trade show and came across Catalyst Connection. I learned more about ARC specifically through there, and that as a grant vehicle. And I had bought the business with an SBA loan, so I was pretty cash strapped, and that ended up being a really good avenue to pursue for business development and initiatives that I was interested in. We largely used the ARC grant to focus on business development initiatives. We did not have that many customers when I first bought the business, so the grant really helped us pursue more customers across many industries, and we were able to enter customers in industries like energy, mining, oil and gas, industries that we had never been in. So the grant really proved to be useful to us. The way we got into the energy industry is we got requests for heat sinks, which are, of course, very popular in the data center space right now. So we were able to deliver high-quality heat sinks, and then we started to get requests for copper and bronze, all materials that are really prominent in the energy space. So we've been able to enter into multiple customers across the energy industry. That's been fantastic. It's almost weird to say this, but the application process was one of the more fun parts because it was so easy. Most onboarding documents aren't so easy, so I think the application process probably took us, I don't know, like an hour or so to complete, and literally within days we had found out we were approved, and then we were able to get plugged into all of the different facets of business development that we were interested in. So it was smooth. I would recommend it to any manufacturer. I actually think it's silly not to pursue this grant. So thanks to ARC, Triform has been able to enter into many industries and then customers within those industries. And due to that growth that we've had, we've actually been able to increase our capability set. So we're able to do more assembling of parts and machining of different materials that we hadn't before. So it's really opened up our eyes as a business and increased our capability set. We're excited for our future and can't wait to share what's next. Hope you get plugged in too.